Hey, what's going on? JD here, and I have a quick unboxing for you. Today we are going to unbox the EVOC Seat Bag. Now, for me, I like to use seat bags because I like to put my emergency kit in this guy, leave it on the bike, and just kind of forget about it. I am brutally bad at forgetting to pack things up like tools or tubes or levers or patches, you name it. Typically, if I'm excited, want to get out on a ride, I will forget something. And these are things that I don't like to forget because I don't like to get stranded. So that's why I have the EVOC Seat Bag. This is a size medium. So this guy is a total of 0.7 liters capacity. Not a terribly big bag, but you know, again, this is something that you can just tuck under your seat and you're pretty much just going to forget about it and hopefully never ever have to use it. So we've got the EVOC logo on the back. It is a reflective decal, so if a car light shines on it, it will shine. And this tucks right underneath your saddle, so it's nice and tucked away. Now, the thing that I do like about this, and you can see right away, is it is a clip, and that's how it attaches. So these will loop through your seat, and then it will simply clip. And I like just the fact that when it clicks, it is attached. Now, I've had seat bags in the past where this was Velcro or it had a Velcro strap at the front. Unfortunately, when things get dirty like Velcro, a lot of times it loses its grip over time. So I prefer the buckles personally. So it's a preference thing, but that's what I do like. So this guy, again, is 0.7 liters and claimed weight is 48 grams. So we're going to pull out the scale. And of course, we're going to turn that on, let it zero out, and then we're just going to throw the bag on there as best we can. And it's coming in at 37.75 grams. So in this case, it's actually 11 grams lighter than the claimed weight. Now, that may have been the claimed weight for the large bag. This is the medium, so maybe there is a little bit of difference there. But the medium bag comes in at 37.75 grams, which is quite light. Now, of course, it's not going to stay that light because we're going to load it up. Now, for me, you know, all I simply want to carry in here are tubes, of course, a multi-tool, and, you know, maybe, you know, a little bit of money, and that's kind of it. There is not a great deal of padding to this. It is quite thin. There is a little bit of rigidity in the frame here. Across the way, the sides are quite thin. This is 210 Denier ripstop material, so I don't know if you can see that in this particular camera lighting, but there are the little square patterns, so if you do happen to rip it, it's not going to tear wide open. So generally speaking, I will carry everything from a tube, and this is a 35 to 43C for the urban bike. I will carry usually a patch and tire levers and all that kind of good stuff, and the good old F15 Crank Brothers multi-tool. So hopefully these guys kind of fit in. Like I said, this is not the largest bag in the world, but all it needs to do is fit those three things and we are good. So pack that in. It's got one zip, not two. And push that down a bit. And there you go. It carries everything you need in one convenient little package. Now, I always like seat bags because they do tuck under the seat. They're not getting in the way. It's not like a big front saddle bag. You know, it's not wrecking your aerodynamics. You just throw it on the bike. And, you know, again, you rarely notice these guys. But, you know, this, again, quite tight. Depending on what you are doing, you might change that. So for myself, you know, I don't always carry these. I've actually switched to Tublitos, which I will talk about the difference between those. These compact quite a bit smaller. I haven't wrapped this one terribly tight, and you know, you can fit that in much easier than the regular tube. And the thing I always love about that F15 tool, if you've watched that unboxing video, is the fact that because it's in a case, it's not going to puncture, you know, tubes that are out there as well. You know, you can throw an energy gel in there probably as well now, you know, just kind of have it a little bit extra energy out there. And there you can see there is still a fair bit of space in there. You know, you can throw levers, you name it. You can throw it all in there. So, you know, again, good little bags to have. These guys are not terribly expensive. I picked this up for, I believe it was $19.99, which is really nothing in the scheme of things. But that is a first look at the EVOC Saddle Bag. This is the medium, 0.7 liters. A great thing to have your emergency kit in. You can just leave it on your bike, forget about it, go out for your ride, and not be worried, like myself, that I've left something at home. So until next time, see you guys. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell button so you get notifications. And until next time, see you.